The great thing about staying during the holidays at the Holden House is really the spirit of Christmas. We have Christmas decorations all over the house in our 3 Victorian homes. Again, we have beautiful private baths, queen size and king size beds. We offer a full gourmet breakfast in the morning, as well as lots of holiday goodies. In addition, we offer the option of buying a gift certificate if you're looking for that special gift for someone who's difficult to buy for. And we just invite you to come and stay during the holiday.
Why do I like staying at the Holden House? Well, if you like traditional Christmas, if you like nutcrackers and lights, if you like what makes Christmas special, this place has it. I've been here 33 years, and I invite you to come here because if you want warmth, you want relaxation, you want peace of mind, you have to stay here. And Ming Toy, our Holden House kitty cat, she wants you to stay here. Come and join us and have a wonderful time.